Watercolor painting is a medium that comes with its share of secrets. It took me years to uncover some of them and start painting anything I like with confidence. And that's why in this class, I intend to share with you the strategies that I came up with to get to this point and help you level up as well. Hi, I'm Françoise. I'm a self-taught watercolor artist who went from struggling with watercolors back in 2019 and painting from my living room table to building a successful art business and now preparing for my first solo exhibition from this new art studio. Above all, I like to teach and I love to experiment and share everything that I learn. That's why I've been teaching here on Skillshare, but also YouTube, Patreon, and my website. I've been painting a majority of landscapes since the start, and because a lot of wet work is involved, I noticed that they're an excellent way to master water control and also get past the notorious ugly stage with the confidence that you'll end up with a gorgeous painting anyways. In this class, I'll be answering the questions that most of us ask ourselves at some point in our journey, especially when we watch a professional artist paint effortlessly. Questions like, how do they paint so fast? How do they keep their paper wet for so long? What are they doing to render realism and paint loose at the same time? And how are they able to use that much paint and still end up with a painting that looks fresh, light, and bright? Supplies are just the tip of the iceberg, as you know, and I'll share what I find most convenient to paint landscapes with ease. Then I will show you how I get ready for painting. Next, I'll share my full painting process in real time, and you'll get to fully witness and understand what I actually do to keep my paper wet and paint a smooth and colorful base for over half an hour straight without stressing. You'll also practice my loose realism techniques and learn to take your paintings from looking flat and boring to vibrant and beautiful. This class is ideal for intermediate learners who are ready to level up and paint bigger, bolder, and better landscapes. And my strategies can be applied to other subjects, as everything that you learn here will be immensely helpful to support your watercolor practice in the long run. So let me be your guide and join me in class. Let's get started.